here at Southpointe in Palmetto, a brand new community from MI Homes. It's a perfect location because it is 2 miles or less away from Route 41, I-75, and I-275. So this is a single family style 2-story home. It's got an amazing first floor primary suite. You won't want to miss it. Let's go check it out. And don't forget, click the link below to book a free consultation call with me and see why this could be cheaper than your rent. This floor plan we're looking at is called the Bonus. It is a brand new floor plan in the community Southpointe by MI Homes. This is a 2-story home, single family. This community does have villas and single family style homes. What I love about this home is it is very inviting and welcoming from the front door. You do have a flex space up front, right off the kitchen towards the front of the house. You've also got some more bedrooms to view. To the left, you have a full bathroom, plenty of space, high ceilings, and another bedroom right beside it. And then you come to the back of the home where you have your primary suite. And then you go on up the stairs for additional rooms and space. This is a fantastic floor plan that feels inclusive to everybody, but you have some separate spaces as well. So come check out the Bonus floor plan with me. MI Homes, you're not going to want to miss this. Don't forget to click the link below to book your free real estate consultation call with me to see what communities might be the right fit for you moving south of Tampa.